Meantime, in Edmonton, a Pinay's willingness to lend a hand has made many kababayans grateful for her presence in the city. Kilalanin natin si Laila Gray sa kwento ni Kay Villaroya.
Hindi ako dapat maging cum laude para makatulong. Hindi ako dapat maging presidente ng isang organization. Hindi dapat ako maging madre para makatulong. Ako ay ordinaryong tao lang.
Laila Gray is an ordinary citizen who has become an institution in the Filipino community in Edmonton and beyond. Whether they're newcomers looking for a place to stay or workers who lost their jobs or got critically ill, Ate Laila is there to help. She regards strangers like her own family.
They came here, pero nawalan sila ng trabaho lately. Tapos nakita yata sila na Laila sa mall. And then sabi niya, pwede kayong tumulong sa bahay. Wala na silang pambayad sa mga apartment nila na tinitirhan. Tapos, ayun, nagtira sila dito ng more than a year.
Ate Laila's one-bedroom apartment has accommodated many over the years. They stayed here for free till they got settled or found new jobs. She's not wealthy, but with the help of friends and the Filipino community, she's able to raise funds for those in need. Suzette Conhe was struggling to survive as a single mom when she met Laila Gray.
All throughout my pregnancy, talagang tinulungan niya ako. Miski pati sa diaper, sa baby bottle, sa formula.
She's more than thankful for having Ate Laila in her life.
Napakabait niya. Sa totoo lang, hindi ko ma-achieve lahat ng na-achieve ko ngayon kung hindi dahil sa kanya.
Na pwedeng matulog din ang dalawa.
Laila Gray is living proof that wealth is not measured by what you own, but with what you give.
Kung mas mayaman ako talaga, mauubos talagang pera ko sa katutulong sa mahirap.
Kay Villaroya, ABS-CBN News, Edmonton.